In this video, we're going to find the matrix that represents a given reflection in 2D. Okay, so we're going to look up, again, you need to look up what happens to the unit vectors, I10 or the point 10 and J01 or the point 001 under the given transformation. And that gives us a quick way of finding the matrix representing the transformation. Again, consider the unit square. So that's going to be the point 0010, which is I, 11 and 01, which is J. So first we'll do a reflection in the x-axis. So the shape will be reflected here. So I will not move anywhere because it's on the mirror line. Okay, J will reflect down to here, and obviously P will reflect to here, but we're only interested in I and J. So I maps onto itself, which is going to be 10, and then J maps on to J dash here, which is going to be 0, -1. So putting that together, a matrix in the reflection in the x-axis is going to be 10, 10 and 0, -1. Okay, now doing a reflection in the y-axis, I'm going to reflect in this axis here. So what happens is this time I will map onto -1, 0, and then J won't go anywhere, it stays on the line, it's invariant, that's the technical term for it. 01 is mapped onto itself, 01, and therefore the matrix is going to be -1, 0, so we write them down, -1, 0, and 0, 1. For a reflection in the line y is equal to x, okay, so it's a bit difficult to actually see this one because you won't actually see the object, but what happens is that I and J just literally swap places, so this becomes I dash and this becomes J dash. So I10 is mapped onto I dash, which is 0, 1. And J01 is mapped onto J dash, which is going to be 10, and therefore the matrix is going to be 0, 1 and 1, 0. So now a reflection in the line y is equal to -x. So here's the line y is equal to -x. So I will be reflected down here to 0, -1. And J will be reflected down here to -1, 0. So 1, 0 is mapped to 0, -1, and J is mapped down to -1, 0. To get the matrix, we take the I bit first, so we get 0, -1 and -1, 0. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find the matrix representation of various reflections. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.